Hey beautiful people, how are you all? As the winter has begun and our skin is getting so dry and dull along with our hands and feet, so it's the high time to give some time to your skin. So I decided why not to try something and make my skin brighter. So as you can see here, some dark spots, dull skin. So I am trying some products by IQ Organics and these are super duper amazing. So let's begin with the face mask of IQ Organic. So let's start making this mask to apply it on your face, and all you need is this powder by IQ Organic Solution Skin Brightening Powder and rose water to add in it. That will make your skin brighter because it has amazing ingredients including saffada, orange, rose petal, coconut and some hidden herbal ingredients. All you need rose water to add in it and make a mask of it. I'll keep adding rose water to get my desired consistency of mask. I want it thick, so I'll add some rose water. So I have got my desired consistency of mask. Now I'll begin applying it on my face. All you need a brush to apply it on your whole face and cover whole area of your face, that is dark spots, dark circles, forehead, jawline and laugh line. That will give you a good results. I myself have applied it for 3 weeks and I'm sharing my experience with you all. It is amazing. Trust me, this is so good and it has helped me getting brighter and good skin, and also it makes your skin soft. So here I'm applying all the mask on my face and covering the all area of my skin. As you can see, I'm applying a thick layer of it that will give you good results. Many of you DM'd me and asked me to share an honest review with you guys, so I gave this product time and sharing my honest review with you all. This is super amazing. So many of you DM'd me when you got to know that I have received amazing products, so you wanted honest review of it. So I myself gave it a try and spent some time on using it so that I can share my honest review with you all. Now keep this mask on your face for 10 minutes and let it get dry so that you can wash it with lukewarm water. Meanwhile, let's just appreciate the amazing packaging. If you think it has not dried, so keep it for 5 minutes more so that it gets completely dry and then you can wash it. Meanwhile, you can have a lot of water to hydrate your skin and get amazing results. So now I think it has all dried up, so let's just wash it with water. You can see some transformations. Now you can see the clear results on my skin. After washing it, it looks so soft, brighten up and so good. I'm loving it. Now let's try something for night routine, that mask. You can apply it in daytime, and for night routine you can apply this vitamin C serum by IQ Organics. This is another amazing invention of IQ Organics. All you have to do, take 3 drops of vitamin C serum and rub it around your fingers and then tap it on your face just like this, and then massage it with light hands like this on your face and sleep well so that when you wake up in the morning it gives you amazing results. Even this vitamin C serum feels so good. Now it's the time for dark circles. So here comes the amazing caffeine serum by IQ Organic. Application is really simple. All you have to do is just roll this on your dark circles, and with the help of your middle finger or your ring finger, you just have to rub it on your dark circles very gently and then just leave it and you have to sleep. And when you wake up in the morning, the amazing results are in front of you. Now it's the time for skin brightening. Let's use the IQ Organic Solution Skin Brightening Soap. This is also one of the good invention of IQ Organics. How to use it? All you have to do, take the soap in your hand and rub it around your hand. I just have used it on my hands and feet and it has showed me amazing results, and you can also use it on your face as well. As you can see, my face has brightened up, my dark circles has gone and my skin looks so soft along with my hands and feet, and it all feels so soft and good. What else do you need? So I am loving these products by IQ Organics. Bye bye.